AI is a freeware from your phone's voice assistant to call that right code. But there's a lot of confusion around three terms: machine learning, deep learning, and foundation models. In this video, I'll break them down clearly, no joke, just real talk. What they are, how they work, and where each one is used. Let's get started. First up, machine learning. Machine learning is like teaching a computer by example. You don't write rules, you feed it, and it finds patterns. Let's say you want to filter spam emails. You give it thousands of labeled emails, some spam, some not, and the machine learns the difference. There are a few tips: supervised learning, where you have labeled it, unsupervised learning, where the system crops or clusters data on its own. Reinforcement learning, where the model runs through rewards and punishments, like teaching a robot to walk. You'll see email recommendation engines, fraud detection, price predictions, and more. It's powerful, but it needs humans to pick the right features and tune the process. Next, deep learning. This is a subset of machine learning that uses something called neural networks. Think of it like this: traditional ML is like giving the system ingredients and asking it to bake a cake. Deep learning figures out what the ingredients even more, then it bakes the cake. These neural networks have layers, the deep in deep learning, that learn to detect patterns automatically. For example, in an image, early layers detect edges, mid layers detect shapes, and later layers detect faces. That's why deep learning builds self-driving cars, voice assistants, language translation, and even cancer detection in medical images. But here's the catch: it needs a lot more data, computing power, and time than regular ML. And the big players, foundation models. Foundation models are huge, pre-trained AI models trained on massive amounts of diverse data. Think of OpenAI's GPT, Google's Gemini, Meta's Loom. These models are trained on text, images, code, and they can be fine-tuned to do almost anything. Want to write a blog post, summarize a PDF, generate art, answer questions, or even write code? Foundation models can do it all, thanks to their transformer architecture and scale. They're flexible, general-purpose tools, like having an AI copilot that understands context and adapts. But they're expensive to run, require massive infrastructure, and are mostly built by large tech companies or research labs. Still, they're changing the community, enabling multi-modal systems that can understand text, vision, audio, and more, all together. So to recap, machine learning is rule-free pattern finding with structured data. Deep learning is a smarter ML that uses neural networks to learn complex things like images and speech. Foundation models are giant, general-purpose tests that can do it all, across multiple domains and languages. Each one builds on the previous, and all three are shaping the future of AI. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more explainers, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.